Right, okay. Hello once again, YouTube. Andy with you with another enthralling episode of Let's Go Out and Photograph Whatever We Can See video diary. We're going to pop out, kill two birds with one stone, three actually, make a video, take the dog out for a walk, and what's the third? Exercise. Oh, that's the most important one apparently, isn't it? Exercise. Yeah. So yeah, come along and see what we get up to. Well, today we have come out to a park just on the outskirts of Swindon called Nightingale Wood, and I have my very handy Nikon D3200 with me. We're going to see what we can see, take some nice photographs, and hopefully we can see some early signs of spring. Really enjoying the camera at the moment. Big thanks to my brother Wiltshire man for loaning it to me on a kind of a semi-permanent loan. But what I am going to do, I'm going to be doing more with the camera that I have decided, which would mean that I'm going to probably invest, I think, in a half decent lens, and I got one or two in mind. Anyway, let's crack on and go and see what we can see. stiff. Anyway, that was interesting. A nice little walk. Come on, you. In you go. That was nice. Enjoyed that. Get out there, and you never quite know what you're going to see with the old camera. You can see something extraordinary. I'm just waiting for some elusive rhinoceros or a Tyrannosaurus Rex or something to come crashing through the trees and running straight past the path so I can take a photograph of it. Gotta go home now, have a cup of tea, download my photos, and I don't know, just see what we can see. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.